Hello there, welcome to this video. In this video of nanoCAD, we will see how to create BOQ, customize BOQ. Obviously, you can set your own headers in the Bill of Quantity list from different blocks. The blocks could be the normal blocks, or maybe with different attributes. So in either cases or in both the cases, you can create BOQ automatically in nanoCAD, right? So in this workspace, I'm going to insert few of the blocks I have created earlier. So it is in the template, so I just say insert, and now I have few of the blocks. I mean, these are just a prototype, so the blocks may not be relevant, but I have some prototypes. So now just I have a block called color, so I can choose the block and I say this is my color, and this color is having attributes. So it says the material used is cast iron, and the machine, the part will be used, that is lathe. So this is fine. I'll take one more of this. So this is one of the same color block with attributes, and this time the material will be steel, right, and the machine is milling, right? So this is, and let's use one more color, and this is, and let it be similar. So I have two block, color block, material is same, cast iron, and the purpose is same. So this is okay. Let's use few other block. Say this is one valve, so I have one valve, no attributes, and let's use one wrench, right? So this is one wrench, one more. Let's copy. So I have 4, 6, 8, right? So maybe you are using different blocks in a drawing, and there could be attributes or maybe not, but you're going to use blocks in the drawings. And if you want to create BOQ from those blocks, you need to go to annotate, and you have table, and on that you should click on load from base. So in your piece of nanoCAD, you may not find the option, I mean this templates. I mean, there will be the options load from base. So this templates, this one you have to create, right? In nanoCAD, you have options to create the templates as per your need. So from there you can create the templates, and you have to save the templates in the nanoCAD base, that's a database basically, and it will start showing in the list, right? So I'll choose the formats Bill of Quantity, this one, and this is my grip point, so I'll give this one and say okay, and this is my format, right? So the moment I place it in the workspace, so it will summarize all the block I had used in the drawing. So as you can see that I have range quantity 8, and I have valve, and I have collar. 2 collar will be used for lathe, and 1 for milling, and the material you can see, and the descriptions and the serial number, right? So now I have 8 range, right? If I remove 1, so the number will become 7. If we copy to more, so 7 and 2, so total 9, so it is 9, right? If I insert 1 more range, so it will become 10, and same as for the other blocks like color, so the quantity should be 3, right? So if we delete some of the blocks, the table will reduce, right? So this is how you actually can create bill of quantity from the block in nanoCAD. Thank you very much for your time. See you later.